Imagine a jellyfish, but not just any jellyfish, the Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. This fascinating creature has the ability to revert its cells back to their most primitive form, starting its life cycle anew. In theory, this process could continue indefinitely, making it potentially biologically immortal. Now, let's dive deeper into the ocean and meet an incredibly intelligent creature, the octopus. Armed with problem-solving skills and the ability to learn through observation, octopuses are the masterminds of the marine world. Some species have even been observed using tools and outwitting predators with creative strategies. And finally, meet the mimic octopus, a master of disguise residing in the waters of Southeast Asia. With the ability to imitate the appearance and behaviors of other marine animals like the lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, survival becomes an art form. These are but a few wonders of our vast oceans, and there's so much more to explore and learn.